So you can see, I figured out we'll have a system situated here. Hey guys, Charlani here. Welcome to Studio Vlog number 3. After this video, we are back to regularly scheduled programming. I have a house that absolutely needs cleaning, organization. We're gonna start heading outside because all the spring outdoor projects are needing to be started now. But I kind of wanted to round out this little small series of getting this business started and getting it off the ground, and I wanted to kind of wrap it up with yesterday was launch day and it went perfectly smooth. I actually launched about 5 minutes early just to double check, make sure that everything was okay, because I wasn't quite sure when I took the password off the site what would happen, like what's gonna happen next. So everything went really well, and I just want to give a huge thank you to this community because you guys are so awesome, and I appreciate the comments and the messages and the emails of the website looks beautiful, good job, we love what it looks like, all the things, we're excited to get the products. So I am excited to get it all out for you. So again, thank you so much for all of the support. I feel it from the bottom of my heart. Absolutely love you guys. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm really excited for all the things that are coming. So the notepads are made, the branding is all done and situated. We've made all those decisions. The website is officially launched. I have a lot of work still left to do. Like we're still tweaking things up a little bit, but the bones are there and I love the way it looks. I hope you guys do too. Love the messages of, oh my gosh, checkout was so easy. We had some people order from their phones and they would screenshot it. And listen, if you are one who placed an order, number one, thank you, thank you. And number two, tag me on Instagram at either Charlani underscore everyday, which is my personal email or Instagram, or you can tag me at the Live Happy Label underscore planners Instagram. Both of them are linked down below in the description box if you want the direct link for it. But if you tag me in your stories, then I can shout you out too. And I love seeing you guys get your products. I love just seeing you use something that I created. Love. And if you've not joined the list for the newsletter and emails, I promise I'm not gonna spam you. I'm not going to email you 500 times in a week, nothing like that at all, but it's where I will share tools and tricks and tell you when a new blog is up, because I'm really excited for the blog section too. We're gonna work on that this upcoming week, and then obviously over time we're gonna add stuff, cool stuff, I hope. So that's gonna be something that I'm hoping to do, a newsletter, maybe once a month, maybe twice a month, I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. We'll see how it feels. And also, if you have suggestions and you're like, maybe this is something that we want to talk about, or tell us a little bit more about this, and this. Whatever it is, or whatever you might need help with in the time management planning department, I am all ears and absolutely open for suggestions. So when you go onto the website, you'll get a little pop-up. If you don't want to be in it, you just click the little X and it'll go away. But if you do, just fill that out. It's just email address, super simple. There are asks throughout, just kind of like embedded in the pages themselves. So you have option to get in and join that list very easily, very quickly, if that's something that you want to do. It's a good way for us to stay connected. So like I said, after this vlog here, we are back to regular videos, the home organization, home decor, shopping. I feel like I've not gone shopping. We've not thrifted. We've not gone to any antique stores. I have not been to Magnolia in springtime, which is crazy because that's usually one of the first places I go when spring hits. Haven't even done that. So all of those things absolutely coming up. So today, it is a Sunday, it is the day after launch, and I want to ship orders, and I know the post office isn't even open until tomorrow, so we're gonna ship tonight, and then tomorrow I'll take everything to the post office. But I already did a little bit of a test run. I have already played with the label maker there. So I have a pretty good grasp of how the label printer works. So I'm just kind of figuring out how I want my system to kind of be, because I was all over the place when I was packaging the other orders. So I've got the combo packs here. I've got the shipping stuff here. I've got stuff up here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print out the packing slips, and then I'm going to pack orders and then print the shipping labels. I think that is the process that I wanna take doing this, but I don't know. We'll just kind of figure it out as I go. I'm probably gonna go back and forth 5,000 times during this process, but eventually we will have a system situated here. Either way, I'm so excited to do this right now. Like, I have been dreaming about packing, you know, the first set of orders that we have for what feels like years. All right, let's get to it. I'll take this time to answer a couple questions that I've received over the last couple days, especially about my website setup. So in the past, I have created websites using WordPress and a theme setup called Divi. It's what my husband's site's on. I have created other accounts on that, and it works great, but there's a lot of setup and customization that needs to happen. And for this situation, time was of the essence for me, so I needed something with a set template and kind of like set up right out of the box. I didn't want to have to create it from scratch. So I am using Shopify for all the things, the website itself, the purchasing, the shipping, all of it. I mean, if Kylie Jenner can use it, it's good enough for me. So you can download one of their templates. There are so many to choose from, and lots of videos online to walk you through that setup. You can also do what I did and download a template from Etsy. What I loved about that process is that Lindsay, she's the shop owner, had set up videos, and I love that because I am very much a this is what I want, show me how to get that kind of person. So her Etsy shop is called Macarons and Mimosas, and Lindsay was great. However, I will say one thing to kind of keep in mind is that it's all about your pictures. So even if you see a template that you love, remember that what ultimately determines your website vibe are the pictures that you take and the content that you put on it. So in hindsight, and if I'd had more time, I would have taken all the pictures, written all the captions, had some of the pages already kind of thought out so that I didn't have to fly by the seat of my pants in that setup process. I think it would have saved me time ultimately, but I still absolutely love how it all came out, and I cannot wait to add to it. All that being said, Shopify absolutely makes everything so easy and user-friendly, and I would recommend it to beginners too, for sure. So as I was packing orders, I realized that my logo and the order totals weren't on my packing slip. Some of you are going to get a slip that just says Live Happy Label right up at the top, which is fine, but I really wanted my logo on there. And truly, this was probably one of the hardest things in the whole setup process, but even this was figure outable. It was easy enough. It took a little bit of coding, but guess what I did? I watched a YouTube video. So you can see I figured out right there how to get the logo on the packing slip. I'm hoping no one's gonna care. Like I said, I don't care about the pricing stuff like that, so I'm hoping nobody else does. Listen, if you ordered and you want an invoice with the pricing, which by the way, you get emailed to you anyways, you'll get this is just the packing slip. So none of the pricing is on the packing slip. but it will be in the email when you place your order. Hoping that's gonna be okay. But if for some reason you need that, then I guess let me know. So I do want to come in and just double check my stock. These right here are the bundles. This is the bundle combo. So we've got the daily to-do list, and then we've got the weekly planner here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 sets of those left. I won't count that. I mean, that'll just take a little bit, but that's how many we have left of the daily to-dos. We're about half sold on the shopping lists, which I think we're good on that for a little while. Good, good, good. And then over here, these are the weekly planner notebooks, and yeah, that's how many we have left of that. So for the rest of the night, I am just going to pack up the rest of our orders and get all of this done. I do need to go in and just double check and make sure that all of my quantities are correct, my stock. I'm not the best when it comes to numbers, and I've had some holds and not to ship for a few days, and I want to make sure that I've got all of that stuff accounted for. But it's so exciting that you guys are as excited about these notepads as I am. For me, this whole process is just, the system of it all is just a game changer. At least it has been in my life, and I know that a lot of my girlfriends who have used this system with the block timing and working from a list, it's game changing, and it can absolutely help you to organize your life and to figure out how to start managing your time. So yeah, very exciting to get these into your hands. Now, on that note, I'm just gonna keep at it. Our first round is done. I'm gonna go ahead, and now that I have kind of a flow a little bit, I can go ahead and do the rest, and we are gonna be good to go. So thank you so much for watching, and I just wanna say thank you. Even if you're like, yeah, that's not really my thing, you just watching my videos absolutely helps support me, and I love that you do, so thank you for that too. This community here in YouTube is absolutely amazing. We wouldn't be able to do this without you for sure, so thank you for that. And if you did place an order on launch day or today, it is being shipped out first thing tomorrow, because I will try to get these all done tonight. So thank you again. And like I said earlier, next week we are back to regular programming. we have house cleaning stuff, home organizations. I have a closet refresh that we absolutely need to do. We're going to put some contact paper in the dresser flip that I did. I'm excited for that. We just got the paper in, the contact paper, and it is so pretty. So that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be one of the next videos coming out probably later in the week. So anyhow, thank you so much again for tuning in. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you've not subscribed, I'd love it if we could stay connected. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.